Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Toyota 4Runner Nightshade. One of the most notable features on this Nightshade is its power moonroof. You also have your parking sensors and heated and cooled front seats. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2019 Toyota 4Runner Nightshade. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this Nightshade is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lights. As you can see, you have your darker style chrome on here as well with your parking sensors, and over on the side, you have your 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels. Now, the other nice thing is that you do have the power folding running boards as well, so when you open up the doors, it'll actually fold out for you. Integrated signal lamps, foldable mirrors, and heated mirrors. You do have the smart key system with it, so with the smart key system, you can lock all the doors simultaneously just by pushing on the two little lines you see there on the handle. Push it on once, it'll lock all the doors automatically, and then if you put your hand between the handle, it'll unlock the front door for you as well. The color we're going to be taking a look at today is black, and taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your black interior, power driver's seat with lumbar support. Mirror controls, parking sensors on and off with your window wiper de-icer on and off switch for the power folding running boards, and your rear cargo power outlet. Window locks, power locks, window controls, both your front and rear windows, and your seat memory controls. Now, as you can see, you have a couple of different features located on here as well. So as you can see, you have your mode select, volume control, as well as your Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition, and cruise control. It does come equipped with the push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at some of the controls that you'll see on the steering wheel, as you can see when you're hitting the display button, you'll see your fuel economy with your cruising range, digital speedometer, and as you can see, you have a digital compass and an exterior temperature gauge as well. Digital clock, hazard lights. Going inside the apps menu, you have your navigation audio phone, as well as a couple of other additional features. Premium JBL sound system with the Sirius XM satellite radio, dual zone climate control settings, USB and auxiliary input with the heated and cooled front seat controls for your driver and passenger, added to a automatic transmission, and then you also have the 4x4 select as well. Open and close for the power rear window, and taking a look up top, you do have the auto dimming rear view mirror, and then you'll find the integrated garage door opening controls. Open and close and tilt up and down feature for the power moonroof, traction control on and off, A-track, downhill assist control, and then taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you're backing into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo space as well as your tailgate. Now, as you can see, you have your parking sensors located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you'll find your backup camera on the left-hand side, and the rear hatch release located underneath. As you can see, you also have the cargo cover in the back, which is great because you can cover up your valuables just while you're going from place to place. 50-50 split for the third row, and then you have the foldable second row as well, just in case you need more additional space, or the additional cargo area as well for yourself. Now, as you can see, you have the rear cargo power outlet, so if you're ever out of the cabin or lake during the weekend, you need to plug in your tools, you can do so. Or if you'd like, you can plug in a mini fridge or a couple of speakers. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.